Do you want to know how I make this savvy meal? Well, keep watching.
Right guys, let's go to Aldi and let's go and see what we can get to cook tonight. Grab a basket and let's get to it. Right, grab yourself 2 loose potatoes. Next, grab yourself some cranberry sauce. Also, grab yourself some brie cheese. And finally, some stuffing. Lucy, cook me something up.
Easy. And we're back home now, guys, and I'd just like to thank each and every one of you for liking and following this page, because we've got new foods coming up and new meal ideas. So it's come up to the run up to Christmas now in December, and I'm going to be making some stuffed chicken breasts. Now these potatoes have gone up at Aldi. They were coming in at 58p for 2 of them as well. But I'm going to start off with cutting my potatoes, and I'm not going to peel them. I'm actually going to cut them up into little pieces like this. So they're all chopped up now, and they're going to go into the air fryer. If you haven't got an air fryer, they can go into your oven. I'm going to add some pepper, some salt, just a little squirt of oil, some garlic granules, and because we've bought this stuffing and we don't need it all, I'm just going to add a bit of stuffing to the potatoes, give them a shake, and get these into the air fryer for about 20 minutes, and then we're going to shake them again. Right, so the next bit is to prepare our chicken breasts. So I've cut them down the sides here, and then you just want to flap them over like so. I've got some brie here, so adding some brie to the chicken breast. Then I'm also going to add some cranberry. You don't have to add cranberry if you don't want to, it's totally up to you. Get some cranberry in, and then we're going to fold that over. So here I've got some breadcrumbs and I've got some stuffing, so hold on a second, I'm going to use all this anyway, so it doesn't matter about my fingers being on it. I'm going to get all the stuffing in here, and I'm going to mix this up. Then we're going to get the chicken breast, make sure that is all in the inside here, and then we're going to get all the stuffing and breadcrumbs all over the chicken breast like that. Then that is either going to go into your oven, or I'm going to put them into the air fryer. So just get them totally coated like that, and then you're going to repeat them with the rest of your chicken breasts. And with the rest of that stuffing, I've just added some butter, hot water, and some cranberry sauce in there. I'm just going to stick it in the other side of the air fryer. And that is ready to serve up. So as you can see, I've already got the potatoes, the stuffing, and the cranberry sauce on the plates. This one is a monster one as well, look at that. They do get a bit messy in there as well, obviously, because the brie all spills out in there. Gonna get one here, and obviously that's massive, aren't they? And that one is for little B. And I've also, guys, done some gravy, and this was from Aldi, and this is chicken and stuffing one as well. So I'm going to pour this all over the top. Oh, that's looking good, isn't it? And then I'm going to cut into these and show you what they look like. Absolutely brilliant. To be honest, I prefer this rather than a Christmas dinner.